We will now calibrate the blower speed and combustion values for low fire. Connect both sides of a manometer with a range of at least 20 inches to both differential pressure test ports of the heat exchanger you are calibrating. Open up and insert a flue gas analyzer into the flue gas test port, and follow the same procedure for multiple gas train configurations. Slide the S2 switch on the heat net control into the calibrate position. The main display will reload and the calibrate screen will appear. Slide the test run switch on the Honeywell 7800 control or controls to run. Create a demand for heat by sliding the S1 switch on the heat net control into the low fire position. The boiler will now begin the start sequence. Press the adjust button for minimum blower speed percentage. The blower will change its speed to the displayed value and activate the controls to adjust that value. Read the manometer attached to the differential pressure test port and note the offset. Raise and lower the blower speed percentage to achieve the required pressure based on heat exchanger size and required differential signal as indicated in Table 12, Pressure Signal. And follow the same procedure for multiple gas train configurations. To access the calibration screen for additional heat exchangers in a multiple heat exchanger model, press the additional heat exchanger button to switch between screens. Read the flue gas analyzer and note the levels of CO2 and/or O2. Adjust the levels of CO2 and/or O2 by turning the low fire screw on the modulating gas valve. Find the appropriate levels of CO2 and/or O2 required for low fire based on fuel type and inlet air temperature as indicated in Table 11, Combustion Settings. And follow the same procedure for multiple gas train configurations. Remove the demand for heat to the Honeywell 7800 control by placing the S1 switch on the heat net control to the off position, allowing the boiler to stop. Take the boiler out of calibration mode by sliding the S2 switch on the heat net control into the normal position. Now that the gas-air ratio has been calibrated, we can now calibrate for high fire.